Thanks for tuning in to this video. This is a quick and to the point tutorial on how to get a sharp beard lineup specifically using the razor. You will need your trimmer, a razor, and a warm towel. The first step is to make a rough draft with your trimmer. Now this lineup doesn't have to be perfect, you just want to sketch in the line that you want to follow up with the razor. So think of this as a general outline to follow. That's another reason that I don't set my trimmers super close, because I want them to be good for all around shaving and outlining. Now for the lip area, make sure that you're not pressing down hard because this is a sensitive area, especially the upper lip close to the nose. To the area that I'm going to be using the razor, I apply a warm towel to soften the skin and hair. And then now I begin to trace that initial line. And don't worry, I'm going to change angles in just a second. This is just to show you that I'm beginning to go over that rough outline. And in those hard to reach areas, see how I have him to blow a bubble in his cheek? This exposes the hair in those hard to reach areas and it minimizes the chances of me cutting him. Have the client do whatever you need them to do to expose the skin. It's all about their safety. Now you wipe away the residue and repeat until that line stays. And then now we're going to repeat the same thing on this side. The warm towel to soften the skin and the hair. And then I begin with the razor. Now I'm leading with the point of the razor, so I'm basically using it like a pencil, so all of the weight is tilted towards the front end of the blade. And see how I'm stretching the skin in the opposite direction that I'm going with the razor? So I'm going down with the razor and I'm stretching the skin up with my thumb. And like I said, you comb away the residue and repeat, because you want that to be a true line. So even when he goes home and he washes his hair, he washes his face, that line should still be there. And then all you do is make small adjustments until you have the line symmetrical on both sides of the face. Refine until you're satisfied, and then use your mirror to double check your work. By the way, if you're new to this channel and you're getting value out of this video, please hit that like button and please subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Also, if you're new to this channel, be sure to check out other videos. I have over 200 haircut tutorials on different hairstyles and hair types. This video is just to show you that you can get all natural results that still look sharp and crisp. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what other videos you guys want to see in the comments, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.